We've been working through sewing out buttonholes, checking out the bar tacks, and even sewing buttons on. And the Pfaff Quilt Expression 4.2 sewing machine even has an eyelet. So this eyelet is set up to stitch with the 2A foot. Make sure you put that exact foot on, disengage the dual feed, have some stabilizer, and I'm going to show you a quick little trick about eyelets. Number one, they're just going to stitch one. So you know what this is kind of fun with? If you ever needed to tie a quilt, you could use eyelets. You could use anything in this machine, like as a decorative stitch. But wouldn't that be fun just to move to the center of each of your blocks after you've layered it with batting and do an eyelet in each point where you would normally take and hand tie that area? And you saw how fast it went. Now, for any reason that your eyelet doesn't come out perfectly round, you can go into the settings and adjust the balance, which, to tell you the truth, I did already. So I actually adjusted it up to 4. It'll start at 0. And when I stitched my first one, it was like this. It kind of, well, they didn't connect. I had kind of 2 C's trying to connect together. But when I balance it, what it can do is adjust everything so they connect and actually look like an eyelet when it's done. So have a little faith in your machine, but if you need to adjust anything because they're not turning out perfect, balance is something that you can work with and get it perfect.